Welcome back to Take 5. The new movie, Now You See Me, hits theaters today. It's a story about a group of illusionists who pull off a huge bank heist and then give all the money to the audiences. Well, we decided that we wanted to meet an illusionist and find out what it's all about. So we have joined illusionist Tom Coverly. We're here at a local high school to learn more about what it takes to be an illusionist. And before we get started, what is the difference between an illusionist and a magician?
There's actually not a whole lot in the two different terms. Magician and illusionist, I just prefer the word illusionist.
Sounds cooler,
It does.
I think.
It sounds cool, a little edgier, I think.
Yeah. How old were you when you started doing this, or how long have you been doing it?
I actually did not get started doing magic tricks until I was 18 years old. So I was actually in college, and then from there I began doing the illusions. I'm the type of person that loves to figure things out. So I saw my first magic trick in person by a professional, and from there I just wanted to keep doing more. I wanted to try to figure it out.
See, that's kind of what I feel like people are these days. Like, I feel like we're a lot more of a cynical group. Like, instead of coming to your show, like, instead of just like, oh, this is cool, we're trying to figure it out.
Yes,
like,
absolutely.
how did they do this?
Absolutely.
Yeah,
and I totally get that, obviously.
I like this. What do you love about being an illusionist?
I love it because I get to travel all over the country and all over the world. We've been in 40 states, 4 different countries. My wife and I and my kids are a part of the show, and my wife's my stage assistant. So we have an absolute blast. One of the coolest things about it is we do school assemblies, and it gives us a chance to talk about some serious issues like bullying and suicide.
I love
yeah,
that.
absolutely.
A kind of a cool way to get that message out there to kids, too.
So we use deception to talk about deception.
Well, speaking of those assemblies, you have a couple illusions, 1 or 2 that we're going to do today, right? So what is the
absolutely.
what is the one that you're going to do today that I'm going to totally try and figure out in my head?
Yep, absolutely. Well, now that the show is over at the school, what I want to do is this. I ask you to supply a quarter and a can.
Yes, I brought my own.
Perfect. That's really, really important. I want you to take the Sharpie.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to lay this back down for a second. What I want you to do is put your initial, Stephanie, S on both sides, okay? Okay. Really, really dark so that the camera could see it.
Okay, S, and...
It's beautiful. Great.
S, yes.
Good,
there
good,
we
good.
go, there we go. Okay.
Great. I'll take the Sharpie back. Okay. What I'm going to do is this. You supplied this can. Once again, are there any holes in the top?
No. Nope. Right
any
from
holes
the,
in the
right
bottom?
from our station. Okay.
Perfect.
Nope.
How about the side? I'll show everybody at home the sides.
No.
No holes there. Perfect. What I'm going to ask you to do is place the quarter there. Now, a lot of magicians like to wear sleeves.
Yeah.
Obviously,
no
people
sleeves.
know stuff up the sleeves, all the jokes that come along with that. So I don't like to wear sleeves. So I want you to watch closely, okay? Okay. Here we go. This is an illusion that I think will absolutely blow you away. Here we go. What I want you to do is just watch closely.
Okay. Getting dizzy.
I want you to just verify. Has it ever been open?
No, it is not open.
No, I want you to look at the bottom. Ever been open?
No.
No,
it
I want
not.
you to look at all the sides, okay?
Not open?
All right, perfect.
Nothing?
Come right here. Come right here. We're mic'd up, so you might be able to hear it at home.
Just hear the Sprite. There's something in the can.
Can you hear that?
Yes.
We'll try to get that next to my mic.
Ooh.
It makes a little mess. It makes a little mess. I want you to hold on to that.
Okay.
Perfect. What we're going to do is this. I want you to go ahead and pour it into the glass. Hey. I was just seeing if you would stop. Most people stop right away, Stephanie, but not you. You're like,
oh, distracted. Shiny things.
It's all good. Keep going.
I can hear something in the can clearly.
Perfect. Turn that around. Shake it really good for everybody.
There is something in there.
You can hear that.
Yeah.
Now, there's only one way to get it out. I want you to verify. Make sure there's nothing in my hand,
Nothing in your hand.
Usually, I would have somebody from the audience rip that can open because I don't want to touch it. It's been in your hands. You poured it into the glass. All right, watch this. Here we go. I'm just going to take this. And just rip that can open. I want you to hold out your hand. You're going to get a little bit of pop on you, soda pop on you. I want you to show the camera. Is that your quarter?
It is my quarter, and it is wet as it has been inside the can. That's my quarter!
Yeah, there you go, right there.
That is so cool. All right, well, you have shown me an illusion. I'm going to show you a really good illusion. Are you ready?
I can't wait to see it.
All right, get ready for this. Here comes my illusion. Are you ready? We are still right here in the WZZM studio. How great was that illusion, right?
No way.
That was good.
How did you do that?
That was really good.
I have no idea.
Yes. Taking this stuff on the road. Thank you so much for sharing your time with us today. You can find more information on how to get a hold of Tom on our webpage. Go to the Take 5 homepage, WZZM13.com. We'll be right back with more Take 5.
How did you do that? Incredible.